One of our clients broke down 16 miles away from us. We have to help him. You shouldn't be driving with check engine lights on. You need to come in and get it fixed right away. Hello friends, this is Atlas Truck Repair Vadim, and we are repairing your trucks again. Today, we have an unusual situation. One of our regular customers broke down 16 miles away, and this time, we had to come to his aid. I think that we will now bring his 2019 Freightliner out of Derate, and he will calmly reach us on his own, and we will continue to work. Of course, for this, we chose the cheapest car available in our truck shop. This is the Tesla Cybertruck, and now we're taking off. After all, we are driving on autopilot. Friends, most importantly, I have a big request for you. Be sure to like and write comments. We need to understand whether you like such content and whether it makes sense to continue shooting such videos. Let's go see what's broken in the truck. So friends, we've come for a diagnosis, although I don't usually do this, and let's see what's going on there. So, looks like this truck is from, what, 2014? 18? That's strange. It looks way older than 2018. The dashboard is already outdated. I don't know why. Of course, here we see all the problems associated with the DEF system. The check engine light is on, the stop light is on. Thank God at least the oil pressure is fine, it's already good. Now let's connect, let's see what the diagnostics shows there. Yesterday the indicators were already on fire, and today the truck went into a hard derate. And all because you can't drive with the check engine light turned on, you have to go and fix the problems.
Go into our shop.
Yes, sir.
And anyway, I hear it's problem with cylinder compression. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I will show you, because when I start, I hear like your engine starts not properly. And I will show you by diagnostic.
Of course, guys, my English isn't that great, but that doesn't stop me from working, making money, and leading my team. I have people who know English well. Accordingly, I already hear that there are problems with compression here. We're going to measure it now. We look at cylinder number 6, only 8.5%, the same problem in 5 and 4 here. The problem is that there is also no cylinder head here, because when the customer bought this truck, he probably forgot that the valves needed to be adjusted, or maybe he recently purchased it, and this is not his problem, but there is no compression here.
You have a problem with cylinder head, you know. Your three cylinders, 4, 5, and 6, have a less than 84%. It's mechanical issue with your truck. When you will stay in our shop right now, I will show you what happened. Because right now I have a truck with the same issue, and we replace cylinder head assembly. Okay, you know my address?
Yes, and my phone.
Okay, let's go.
We're getting back to the main issues that caused this truck to go into derate mode. The problem is related to the SCR closed loop. When the SCR system gets clogged with unreacted DEF, which builds up inside the system. There's no need to remove any components. This can be fixed through specific SCR procedures and a software update. After that, we'll need to check the sensors, especially the outlet sensor. I think we'll solve this issue within a day. Right now, the driver is following us back to the shop, and we'll continue working there. Like, subscribe, and keep watching. If you still like this kind of video, then we need comments. I don't like to ask, but this time, I'm going to ask. You need to write feedback about what's going on here. Even if you're not interested, write what you're not interested in. And if you are interested, please tell us what is interesting and on what topics you would like us to make a video. And, by the way, the question of the road service. Do we need him or not? This is just one of our trucks, for which we are currently doing a road test.
It's very dangerous for use this truck. Nobody knows how many miles you can drive without any issue, because this issue will repeat again, you know?
Okay. We'll get straight to Texas.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
In general, friends, unfortunately, there are two things that need to be repaired on this truck. The first, cylinder head replacement. The drawdown is the 4th, 5th, 6th cylinder, as you have already seen. The second problem with the closed loop, SCR closed loop system. The fact is that the sensors are working here, the DEF dispenser is working, and the DEF system itself is working too. But the SCR system, namely the catalyst itself, is damaged. Here, either you need to disable the SCR. By the way, we perform this procedure, or completely cut out the system. But since there is a problem with the cylinder head and the SCR system, I recommended that this client simply sell this truck to some Mexicans. Okay friends, if this video was even a little bit useful for you, be sure to like it, write comments, subscribe, and see you, as always, in our shop. Bye-bye. Is everything okay? Am I Crackerjack? Are we a team? Who's there? Oh, the police are ahead somewhere. Energy Trucking, thank you. Anton, thank you. You gave me a nice present so that I could stay with my permit to drive. It's hard to drive this car slowly here.